Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are discussing the ground elevations. So first of all we will discuss the cusp. So cusp is the elevation and pointed projection on the crown portion of a tooth. This is cusp. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. These are cusps. This is cusp, this pointed projection. This pointed projection is cusp. This pointed projection is cusp. This pointed projection is cusp. In incisors, there is no cusp. This is incisal edge. There is no cusp. Premolars are having, this premolar is having two cusps. One is buccal cusp, the other is lingual cusp. This is a canine having single cusp, one cusp, also called cuspid. Canine having single cusp or cuspid. The other elevation is called tubercle. Tubercles are rounded or pointed projections found on the crowns of the teeth. They are not normal findings, although they are not rare. They are also variable in size and shape, but they are usually smaller in size than cusps. They are usually thought of as mini cusps. So this is the tubercle. In molar, also called cusp of Caravella. In case of incisors, sometimes the tubercle is near the cingulum, projecting from the cingulum. The tubercle is here. incisors or it may be present in deciduous canines in anterior teeth. The third elevation is the cingulum. Its plural is cingula. So this is your cingulum. This rounded eminence is the cingulum. It is present in anterior teeth, the incisors and the canines. So this is the cingulum. The cingulum is defined as a raised rounded area on the cervical third of the lingual surface in a varying degree of prominence or development. Or the cingulum is a large rounded eminence on the lingual surface of all permanent and deciduous anterior teeth, which encompasses the entire cervical third of the lingual surface. You can see this is the cingulum, which is present on the cervical third of the lingual surface. This is the mandibular incisor. You can see this cingulum here. This is the maxillary central incisor. You can see this cingulum here. The cingulum usually corresponds to the lingual developmental lobe. The fourth elevation is the ridge. The ridges are linear and convex elevations present on the surfaces of the crowns of teeth and are named according to their location. So ridges are named according to their location. So it has different names. So A ridge is any linear elevation on the surface of a tooth and is named according to its location. First of all, there is marginal ridge. This is marginal ridge. The linear elevations which are convex in cross section and is located at the mesial and distal terminations of the occlusal surface of the posterior teeth. These are the mesial and distal terminations of the occlusal surfaces of the posterior teeth. These are the marginal ridges of the posterior teeth. The linear elevations which are convex in cross section and are found at the mesial and distal terminations of the occlusal surface of the posterior teeth. These are marginal ridges of the posterior teeth. In anterior teeth, the marginal ridges are found at the lateral margins of the lingual surfaces. Here they are found. These are the lateral margins. One is found here. So these are the marginal ridges of the anterior teeth at the lateral margins of the lingual surface. The marginal ridges are found. Then there is this is mesial marginal ridge. This is distal marginal ridge. This is mesial marginal ridge. This is distal marginal ridge. Coming to the triangular ridge. Triangular ridge is set from the tips of the cusp of the posterior teeth to the central area of the occlusal surface. It descends from this cusp tip to the central area of the occlusal surface. This is the triangular ridge. In cross section, they are more or less triangular, so they are referred to as triangular ridge. You can see this triangular ridge. This is its cross section. It is descending from this cusp tip towards the central area. This cusp tip towards the central area. This is triangular ridge. This cusp tip towards the central area. This cusp tip towards the central triangular ridge. A cross section triangular, so triangular ridge. Transverse ridge. The combination of two triangular ridges which transversely cross the occlusal surface on a posterior tooth to merge with each other. It's called a transverse ridge. So this is a triangular ridge and this one is also triangular ridge. When these two cross the occlusal surface to merge each other, this becomes a transverse ridge. Understand? So the lingual cusp ridge of buccal cusp or buccal triangular ridge and buccal cusp ridge of lingual cusp, the lingual triangular ridge merge with each other to form a transverse ridge. Then we are coming to the cusp ridges. Each cusp has got 4 cusp ridges. The cusp ridge which runs from the buccal cusp ridge buccally is the buccal cusp ridge. The cusp ridge which runs from the buccal cusp ridge basially is the basial cusp ridge. The cusp ridge which runs from the buccal cusp distally is the distal cusp ridge. The cusp ridge which runs from the buccal cusp ridge lingually is the lingual cusp ridge. Then there are inclined planes. The sloping areas between the two cusp ridges are called inclined planes. The sloping area between the buccal cusp ridge and the mesial cusp ridge is the mesio-buccal inclined plane. The sloping area between the buccal cusp ridge and the distal cusp ridge is the disto-buccal inclined plane. The sloping area between the lingual cusp ridge and the buccal cusp ridge is the mesio. The lingual cusp ridge and the mesial cusp ridge is the mesio-lingual inclined plane. The sloping area between the lingual cusp ridge and the distal cusp ridge is the distolingual inclined plane. Another type of ridge is the oblique ridge. The oblique ridge is a special type of the transverse ridge running in an oblique direction from the mesio-lingual cusp to the disto-buccal cusp. It is formed by the distal cusp ridge of the mesio-lingual cusp and the lingual cusp ridge of the disto-buccal cusp. It is found in the maxillary molars, maxillary first and second molars. You can see here. This is the oblique ridge formed by the distal cusp ridge of the mesio-lingual cusp and lingual cusp ridge of the disto-buccal cusp. Understand? Then one last ridge is the mammal. Mammal are found in the newly erupted incisors. They are representative of the lobes. Mammals are the rounded incisal termination of the labial lobes. Mammals are found on the incisal edge of newly erupted incisors. They are abraded away soon after the eruption. You can see these are the mammals. They are representative of the labial lobes. This is the distolabial lobe. This is the middle labial lobe. This is the mesolabial lobe. You can see these are the mammals. Mammals representative of the three labial lobes. So this was all about the crown elevations. Hope you have understood the concept of the crown elevations.